Welcome. My name is Jean-François. I've been helping thousands of people with my signature healing technique called the Soul Audit. I've been also doing spiritual coaching for a multimillionaire. In this transmission, we are reclaiming our astral body. It is a beautiful activation, activating the astral gate chakra in the belly button. We're also activating the astral center that is right below the stomach area. I would love to hear about your experience. Please comment below. Thank you. Bring attention to your lower stomach area. There is this wobbly bubbled ball of energy. It is black, a bit pale rainbow, a bit pale violet. Or creating coherence, activating it. Where attention goes, energy flows. This is the anchor of your astral body. We are transforming it into a beautiful radiating golden Christ light energy. Feel the transformation. Receive it. It's a feeling of your astral body anchoring, landing in your body. The ball of energy is solidifying itself with that golden, shimmering energy. It is modeling itself into a beautiful sphere, unified, aligned energy center. And it's slowly dropping, descending just behind your belly button. And then it's sending energy in the front to the belly button. Right in the front of your belly button, all around the belly button, there is a circle, the astral gate chakra. We are activating it with that golden light from the ball, the sphere, send in the front into the circle, the ring. And then from the ball, the sphere, sending inside of the circle, the ring, through your belly button, out of your body in the front, going through a cord, an astral cord, going outside of your body, and then it's spreading all direction in the front. It's spreading through the skin of your astral body, all direction, moving through your legs, your upper body, moving around and behind your body. Feel it. Slowly molding itself, pieces per pieces. Bring attention to your heart chakra. There's this beautiful golden gemstone radiating, sending so much light through your whole body, activating your etheric body, your ka body, which is a replica of your physical. You can feel on your skin a shimmering golden light. You can feel on the skin of your organs, in every cells, every blood vessel, every double of the physical is shimmering with that golden replica. We're activating fully the etheric body. And then visualize again your astral body. Now your astral body is becoming more transparent, fluid, white energy. It is an outer layer of your etheric body, like Russian dolls. Bring attention to your belly button. And we are creating a knot, a connection with your physical, your etheric, and your astral all together. They're locked in. Bring your hands in prayer position from your heart. And we're creating a beautiful black flame inside of the heart center. Feel the nothingness of this beautiful flame, a silent flame. Thank you for this practice. Reclaiming your etheric and your astral body. Bring one hand into your belly button, one into your heart. Take a big breath. That's it. Thank you so much. Please comment below what have you felt. Would love to read you.